Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we'll explore the fascinating rise of artificial intelligence, or AI. This topic not only connects to technology, but also to society, ethics, and even our daily lives. First, let's define AI. AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include recognizing speech, solving problems, making decisions, and learning from data. Think of applications like voice assistants, chatbots, or even Netflix recommendations. They use AI to analyze patterns and predict what you might like next. The idea of machines thinking like humans isn't new. It began as a dream in science fiction, but over time, it turned into a scientific goal. AI officially started in the 1950s. Alan Turing, a British mathematician, played a big role. He asked, "Can machines think?" and created the foundation for the first computers. Then, in 1956, scientists gathered at a conference at Dartmouth College in the US, where the term artificial intelligence was officially coined. In the 1970s and 1980s, AI grew slowly. There were high expectations, but technology and data were limited. For example, early AI programs struggled with understanding natural language or recognizing objects in pictures. AI's big breakthrough came in the 21st century. What changed? Three key factors. One, big data. Thanks to the internet, we now have access to massive amounts of information. Social media, online shopping, and even GPS data from our phones provide valuable input for AI systems. Two, computing power. Modern computers are far more powerful than those of the past, which allows complex calculations to happen much faster. And three, algorithms. Scientists developed smarter algorithms. For example, neural networks, inspired by the human brain, became highly efficient at tasks like image recognition and translation. These advancements led to AI systems like Google Translate, which can handle dozens of languages, or self-driving cars that use cameras and sensors to navigate. Today, AI is everywhere. In healthcare, it helps doctors detect diseases earlier by analyzing medical scans. In business, AI tools assist in managing customer service and supply chains. Even your smartphone uses AI to unlock with facial recognition. AI is also transforming industries. For instance, in agriculture, AI-powered drones monitor crop health, while in education, it personalizes lessons for students, making learning more efficient. AI brings many opportunities. It can save time, reduce costs, and improve decision-making. For example, AI systems help researchers find cures for diseases faster by analyzing medical data. However, there are challenges too. One major issue is job automation. As machines take over tasks, people may lose jobs. How do we retrain workers for new roles? Another challenge is bias. AI learns from data, and if the data is biased, the AI may also make unfair decisions. Privacy is another concern. With AI systems analyzing so much personal data, how can we ensure it's secure? These are ethical questions that governments, companies, and citizens must address together. Looking ahead, AI will likely play an even bigger role in our lives. Imagine AI helping to solve global problems like climate change. For example, it can optimize energy usage or predict natural disasters. At the same time, experts warn us to approach AI carefully. A famous scientist, Stephen Hawking, once said that while AI could be our greatest invention, it could also pose risks if not managed well. This balance is key. In summary, AI has come a long way, from an idea in the 1950s to an essential tool in modern life. It brings many benefits, but also challenges that we must consider carefully. As we embrace this powerful technology, the question we must keep asking is, how can we use AI to improve lives while minimizing risks? Thank you for listening. I'd be happy to take any questions.